Ladder App Review. Is this fitness app worth using if you've been searching for a structured workout app that actually keeps you accountable? Ladder might have already popped up on your radar. Today we're diving deep into whether this app lives up to the hype or falls short of expectations. So what exactly is Ladder? At its core, Ladder is a fitness app built around team-based training. The idea is simple. You join a team, follow a program designed by real coaches, and train alongside other members who are all working towards similar goals. It's trying to bridge that gap between solo home workouts and having an actual personal trainer in your corner. The first thing you'll notice when you open the app is how clean and straightforward the interface is. Navigating between your workouts, your team feed, and your progress tracking feels intuitive from day one. You're not spending 10 minutes trying to figure out where anything is, which is honestly refreshing compared to some cluttered fitness apps out there. Now let's talk about the coaching. This is where Ladder really tries to separate itself from the crowd. Each program is built by certified coaches, and depending on your subscription tier, you can get access to more personalized feedback. The workouts themselves are well structured, covering strength training, conditioning, and mobility, and they scale depending on your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been lifting for years, there's a program that fits. One feature that stands out is the team element. You can see what your teammates are doing, cheer them on, and feel a genuine sense of community. For a lot of people, that social accountability is the missing piece that keeps them consistent. It adds a layer of motivation that most apps simply don't offer. That said, the app isn't without its drawbacks. The subscription price is on the higher end compared to competitors. And if you're someone who prefers training in complete isolation with zero social interaction, the team feature might feel more like noise than a benefit. There's also the question of personalization at scale. While the coaching is solid, it's still a program designed for a group, not specifically for you and your individual limitations or goals. Another thing worth mentioning is that the app relies heavily on you showing up and doing the work without much real-time adaptation. If you miss a week or get injured, the app doesn't automatically adjust your programming in any meaningful way. Overall though, Ladder delivers a well-rounded experience for people who thrive with structure, community, and coach-guided programming. If you're someone who's struggled with consistency and needs that team energy to stay on track, this app could genuinely be a game changer for your routine. The real question is whether the price point matches the value you personally get from it, and that comes down to how seriously you'll engage with everything it offers. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Ladder has a lot going for it, particularly in the coaching quality and community aspects, but the cost and limited personalization are real considerations. It works best for people who are committed and enjoy training as part of a group rather than flying solo. If you like structure and accountability, the value is there. If you prefer highly individualized programming, you may want to explore alternatives first.